Namaskar friends, this is astronumerologist Anupam V. Kapil with you, wishing you a very happy new year. Friends, today I've got a special forecast for you based on annual numbers. What is an annual number? This forecast is for all those who have an annual number 4. How do you get an annual number 4? Suppose you're born on the 6th of January. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Keep this 7 separately. Add it to this year, 2022, which adds to a 6. So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13 is equal to 4. This forecast is not based on fate numbers, because fate numbers means that if you're born on 4, 13th, 31st and 22nd of any month, you will have the fate number 4 and the forecast will be the same for you. This is different because fate number forecast is a fake forecast. It is not given in any book of conventional and traditional numerology. It is only annual numbers, or alternatively you call this as a personal year number. Now let us get straight to annual number 4. 4 is the number of Rahu, which rules over sudden activities, unexpected delays, but that is when we talk about conventional numerology. In annual number 4, when we talk about annual number 4, we talk about prosperity, we talk about gain. 4 and 8 are not considered to be bad numbers when they appear as annual numbers. Let me clarify this at the onset so that you don't get any heartbreak. 4 is a number of reward. In South India, you have a period marked in every day for Rahu Kal. Certain hours are known as Rahu Kal, during which period no auspicious activity whatsoever is done and no new venture is coming. People don't even go to meet somebody else or have marriage proposals discussed during this time. But in annual number 4, the tone of the year is to work hard, be organized, plan, not be lazy. You can't afford to be lazy this year, because the vibration of this year says that Rahu is going to give you. You will gain by real estate. You can invest in real estate. If that is a question with you, yes. Which are going to be the important years for your career? Certainly January, February, April and also October. So finances are going to be good this year. Investment in property will also be good, or rather it will happen. But it's going to be a little slow year. There might be delays, there might be little disappointments. Don't get upset. Keep working hard, because this number promises to give you the results that you're looking for. In health matters, due to overwork, you may face certain problems related to sleep, not getting sleep properly, little pains in the back, little pain in the shoulder blade. These are all connected. If you have something like that, then you do the remedy of Rahu. You can consult me by sending a WhatsApp message on 9822042295 if you have these kind of problems, and we can do a consultation to get rid of or reduce the problems what you're facing. Now in terms of love, as Rahu talks about, Rahu is known as Mlecha in astrology, in numerology, and when it comes in annual number 4 as an annual number, it brings outside and foreign influences. You will be attached to people from a different ethnic background. You may have a love marriage. You may be attracted to somebody who has a huge age difference, perhaps younger, perhaps older, maybe more than 7 years also. And who are these people going to be? It could be the sign, the sun sign, or the Rashi, or the Lagna. Lagna means rising sign of. It could be Leo, Gemini or Aquarius. So if something like this comes across, don't be surprised. And in terms of, this is not the year to get married exactly, but to settle your business. And I would say anything which is connected to trading, selling and buying shall fetch good returns for you. So this is all what I have for you. The last but not the least is something on the colors. All shades of blues and greens are good for you. Electric blues are good for you, as per Dow Balliet and Cairo and Seferial and Montrose also. And all these authors seem to suggest different kind of colors, but these are the kind of colors which I've told you. Electric blues is the safest, the one which I'm wearing. Some authors suggest green color. That's why I have the green logo on my t-shirt. And only if you are going to be organized and not lazy, you will succeed. Use the colors specially on Mondays and Wednesdays. Don't wear this color on Saturday. Also, you can use this color. Don't wear this color on a Sunday or a Tuesday because they have contrary and inimical vibrations. So all the very best with you, and I look forward to hearing your success story in the year to come, because next year is going to be followed by annual number 5, where I see you flirting and doing all those light-hearted things in life. So obviously you can do all these things only when this year is good.